Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. I know this video is totally probably gonna throw you off, but the reason why I'm sharing this video in this channel is because this is the reason why I got into this box many years ago. I subscribed to this company because I feel like I need to save money, especially on high-end products, and I really don't want to pay all that money. If I could get a subscription that I'm gonna get, I'm gonna pay $50, but everything in that box retails for $352. Once I saw this subscription and other subscriptions, I'm like, I am in, and that's how I was able to get a lot of high-end products, especially makeup and cleanser and things for my hair for almost nothing. So what I'm going to share this video is exactly what I got in my box real quick. I really don't want to make this video long, but if you want to see more details on this video on how I apply it, how it looks on my skin, you can check out my beauty channel, Jazz Journey, which I go more into details about this box. So I really just want to talk to you, to introduce this box to you in case you're interested, because when I love to save and I really love also high-end products, and why not try out high-end products when a box like this one, like Boxycharm and Boxyluxe offers. And also Boxycharm is also offering for the first time. They just released a box a few months ago, I believe it was last month. Just skincare high-end products, but I didn't get that box because I am happy with my skincare routine, so I just stayed away from that one. But Boxycharm is a subscription that you pay $21 every month, and you can cancel anytime. So sometimes I do that if I see the things that are coming in, all the items that we are expected to get, and if I see that I already have those items or it's a repeat or some of those I'm not going to use, I cancel. And then the next month I see also again the spoilers, and once I see the spoilers and if I see there's something that I like, then I just reactivate my account. So it's not something that you have to stay committed to or subscribe to in order for you to keep the box. That's something that I do, and that's how I applied that subscription, because I want to save money, especially if I'm not going to be using some of those items. Then they introduced Boxyluxe. It's going to be a year, I believe, in September. And Boxyluxe, it only happens a few times in the year, so we just got it in June. Came back Boxyluxe. This one costs $50, but everything inside retails, at least the ones from my box, retails for $352. So I'm just going to show you very quick all these items. I'm pretty sure you've seen them in places like Ulta, Sephora, or even on their own brand website, and you will see that these are name brand items. They're high-end products, and the same price that I'm going to tell you is the same price that you will see in these places. Believe me, because I have purchased some of them, tried some of them, or seen some of them that are very popular. One of those is the Tarte palette. This palette retails for $45. That's exactly the price I've seen it in most places. And this one, it will tell you in the back what you're going to be getting. This one is called Pro Glow. I love that it has 2 mirrors on each side, and it also has palettes. This is perfect. I'm going on a trip and I'm looking for a palette that I could just take, and it has everything there, like the bronzer, highlighter, and the blush. I'm actually trying out these products right now. That's why I love unboxing videos, because I'm able to apply it on my skin, see how it feels, if I like it, and then from there on I just continue trying it throughout the week, and then I could just see if it's a go and if I will purchase it the next time. The first time Boxyluxe came around, just give me a few minutes. The first time Boxyluxe came around, we got this palette also from Tarte. This one is a Park Avenue Princess. Oh my god, this is my go-to palette. This palette is perfect. I love the mirror, the scent. Oh my god, it smells so good. And you can see how much I have used from this palette. This is my go-to, no matter if I'm doing light makeup or not. I always use this palette, and I got this from my Boxycharm. I think this one retails for $49. So I was very impressed, and I have always kept the Boxyluxe subscription. Like I mentioned, it only happens a few times in a year. The next item that they show, Dr. Brand. This is another very high-end brand. This is a cleanser. This one is a yogurt cleanser, and this one retails, I believe, for $35. This one retails for $35. Another product that I'm wearing, this is a lip gloss. I'm not really much of a lipstick or lip gloss type of girl, but if you would hear, this is also a famous beauty guru, Dominique, and she came out with her palette. She already has 2 palettes, and now she has the lip gloss. And this one is Dominique. I don't have anything from her because they're a little expensive, but This one is Dominique Cosmetics, and I believe this retails for $17. This is a lip gloss, and look how pretty this is. So you're getting some other items, as you can see from the box, and they will customize the box depending on your skin tone and what you put on that profile. So if in the profile you do say that you like more skincare, you would like more hair care, then they will customize it for you. If you like to be adventurous, they might give you more powerful or brighter colors. If you like to be more neutral, then they will just customize it for you. They like to please everybody. That's why I say my box, the retail was $352, because not everybody gets the same items. It will just be a few here and there that will get the same thing. But at least for the Tarte palette, everybody was going to be getting that palette. Another product that we did get was Living Proof. This is a really good brand, especially for hair care. And this one is a full dry volume blast, and this one retails for $29 for this product. And this is a brand that I really want to test out from Living Proof. The next item, this is Touch Insole No Pore Blend Prime Essence. This retails for $23. I'm actually wearing this primer. I don't like primers so much because I have oily skin and sensitive skin. I noticed that sometimes it just my skin looks more oily throughout the day, but I really like how this one it felt in my skin. It was very like, it felt like almost like a light oil, but it wasn't runny, and it didn't feel like it had silicone. At least I didn't feel that in the touch. So I really like how this felt, and it looks so different too. So this one is something that I might continue testing out, especially I'm loving Korean skincare, and this was also made there. So that's from Touch Insole, and like I mentioned, that one retails for $23. Another thing we got, which was interesting, was this product from, it's called Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This one retails $25. We usually get mascaras in our box, but this one was very unique because it's 2-in-1. You could actually curl your lashes with this product, and then you open it up and it's a mascara, which is the mascara that I'm wearing on this video. So I really loved unboxing because I get to test out the products and see if I like it or not. So $25. Then this, oh my gosh, I really love mist, and a lot of the times we've been doing couponing. Some of the mist that we've been getting is from Garnier. Olay has one too, but this one, it has peppermint, it has antioxidants, it has some good benefits that you put on your skin once you finish your makeup. Or you could just put it to refresh your skin. It feels so refreshing. I've never felt so refreshing. The one that I normally use is MAC Cosmetics. Another one that I really like that is Tropical. We actually got this in our first or second Boxyluxe. As you can see how much I've been using. I love how it smells. It has that tropical coconut scent. This one says citrus. I really like that, but this one feels so refreshing because it has that peppermint scent in it, and it has antioxidant, which I'm loving. So this one cost $35. So you know I'm going to be using that product. And oh my gosh, I am so happy about this product. This is from PYT, and our first Boxyluxe probably was our first one. We got a mini straightener, which I was in love with because I took it on my trip, and I'm taking it on this trip. It's really small, and you get to, and they selected the color, thank God, because I love purple, and that's the one that I got. So today we are getting a mini blow dryer, and I also got the purple one. It's from the same brand. This one retails for $85, and this is a mini turbo on the go dryer. So that's what's perfect. The way that this box is mentioned get the getaway, and as you can see, a lot of these products you don't need when you're going traveling. So the last product I want to mention, and this is the reason why I kept this box. Sometimes, like I told you, I would just cancel and then I will reactivate it, but lately, I think almost for a year now, I haven't canceled any. Is this product here. This is Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. Like I mentioned, I've been taking care more of my skincare routine, and I changed from regular scrubs, which is just a regular exfoliant, to a chemical exfoliant, meaning that everything, all the acids here are going to help exfoliate your skin from the top layer to inside of your skin, or the second layer, because it has AHA and it has BHA. This retails for $58. It was hard for me to get. I think it was in November when I was looking for it in Sephora. They were out in many of them, and luckily I was able to get it. And ever since, I've seen a glow, and I've seen my skin improved. I've seen my pores look better. I've seen my acne has improved drastically, and I used to get dark spots in the acne section, and they will last for 7 to 9 months, and I haven't been getting dark spots, barely. So I am very impressed, and I'm not saying just one product will do all of that. It's just you need to have the great combination, especially for your skin, and I've seen that this one has worked wonders in my skin. And since it was finishing and I needed to buy another one, I said, you know what, I'm going to keep this box because I need this product, and then everything else I'm getting is free. So this one retails for $58, and I really didn't want to make this video too long. I just want to show you very quickly, so you, in case you're missing out on this product in this subscription. I really love subscription. My first subscription was Ipsy. It was just you just getting samples, but then I upgraded to Boxycharm, and it's something that I have not regretted at all. A lot of the products that I've been getting from Boxycharm I use. The bad thing is that lately, because my collection grew so fast, I've been having this box for a few years now, this subscription. A lot of the, sometimes in a box I just use maybe 1 item or 2 items, because now I'm loving my skincare, and I'm being careful not to add other things. So, but overall I'm very impressed. Sometimes I just give the products away, but as you can see, all these are high-end products. I'm pretty sure you heard at least from 1 or 2 of these brands that I mentioned, and it's totally worth it. So these are all the items that in June, and I just got my box, and I really wanted to share with you. So just in case you're interested, you want to improve your skincare, you want to actually start having your own high-end makeup products, this is it. Using just Boxycharm. So if you buy all these products individually, or just 1 or 2, you already spend more than $100. So just $352 worth, and I pay about $52. Is totally worth it. So I just really wanted to share with you, because if you're like me, you love saving and you're looking for the best deals, this is one of those, especially more on the skincare and makeup section. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, sign up using my link. So I'm going to provide that in the description box. If you have tried this and you like it, I really want to know what you think. And if you have any videos, so I could see it and check it out and support you as well. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.